Okay everyone, I have a great gadget today called the Benq ScreenBar Lite, and this is probably built for those people who have a laptop with no illuminated buttons, exactly like me, across the keyboard of course, and in need for some light for those late evenings without turning all the lights on. The ScreenBar Lite is a smart laptop lightening, or like I prefer to say, a smart lamp. Ultra light, easy to use with auto dimming and no screen glare. But before seeing the screen bar in action, let's have a look on the package. And as you can see, it's looking actually like a bar, even the package. And we got this screen bar light on the top. Also, if we turn on the back, we're gonna find out more instructions and how to use this screen bar light over the laptop frame, as you can see right here. And now let's have a look what we have inside. Let's take this off, quite easy. And we got this rugged plastic case, which is quite easy to be opened, like that. And we're gonna find out the screen bar light inside. And also we got another card right here, telling us to go on benqscreenbar.com to download the ScreenBar Smart Lite app. So we're gonna do that later, but now let's just focus on the ScreenBar Lite. And the screen bar is actually light, very light. And let's peel this off. As you can see, the ScreenBar Lite is using touch buttons across the bar. Also, if we turn on a side, we're gonna find out the lights, and we're gonna find out how bright can go later on. Also, this ScreenBar Lite, it's using durable materials such as aluminum alloy, like this base right here, and thick rubber, so you can set up or put away the ScreenBar Lite quickly and easily without any damage to your laptop or the lamp. Also, the lamp can be used on laptops with a range of the screen frame thickness between 0.1 inches and 0.3 inches. And once attached to the frame, you may ask, yes, it's cool, but the screen bar is hiding my laptop camera. Well, I never use my laptop camera, but for those who still use the camera, I can say that the screen bar is very flexible and able to turn up and down easily without affecting the camera. And you can get also some privacy by hiding the camera behind this bar. By using high illumination efficiency and minimizing wasted energy, the ScreenBar Lite only uses 5 watts to produce the perfect illumination for a laptop workspace. The USB cable that connects the screen bar to the laptop, it's quite long, and I would say it's long enough to make this connection, and it's not tight at all, and does fit properly under the laptop if I want to. But as you can see, it's long enough to make the connection between the laptop and the screen bar. And now let me present to you all the touch buttons, starting from the left side with the light sensor. A built-in light sensor can read environmental brightness and automatically give you more light while reading or even writing. And then we got this favorite button, and this button, if you hold it for only 3 seconds to set up your favorite brightness and the color temperature, it will remember these settings so you can enjoy your favorite brightness and color temperature at any time. Moving on, we got these 2 buttons with blue and orange, so you can set up and adjust the brightness or the color temperature. And here we got this brightness, so you can set up to go lower. As you can see, the brightness are dimming, or you can go even higher and it's gonna go very bright. Also, we got this color temperature, and we got 8 color temperature which are compliant with the American National Standard Institute LED lighting chromacity standards. And you can set up from cold light, which allow you to concentrate and boost your energy, or you can go to warm light, as you can see right here, which can make you feel more relaxed. Also, you can go back and let's go on brightness again. As you can see, it's going quite bright. And let's say if we agree with this brightness, if you remember, if we hold for 3 seconds on our favorite button, it will register these settings. And let's say let's go on color temperature and go very warm. With one simple touch on favorite, it's gonna remember our settings and it's gonna set up our favorite brightness, let's say, and the color temperature if you want to. Next button, it's for automatically brightness, and depends of the light of the environment, can set up a different brightness and the color temperature. As you can see right here, it's quite perfect for this environment. And the last button would be to power off and power on this screen bar. So it's quite easy to use. We got these touch buttons. As you can see, easy to use the favorite, even easy to use the auto brightness. Go back on brightness, you can set up from very low to very high. We got this color temperature, also you can set up for cool light to cool warm. So very easy, very smart to use this screen bar. And now, having the ScreenBar Smart Lite app installed on my laptop, on the Windows in my case, you can do pretty much everything you've done touching the bar, but doing with your mouse, for example. So you can go and touch the favorite button, if you can see right here. You can tap on your auto brightness and it's gonna set up the perfect bright, depends of your environment. Also, as you can see, let's untap this one here. Let's choose the brightness going from 1 to maximum 15, and as you can see, it's going very bright. Let's leave it on the medium. Now for the color temperature, as you can see, it's going on maximum and become very warm, or you can go very light right here, cool light, and let's leave it on the middle right here. Also for the monitor, the brightness, you can control the monitor also, and let's leave it on the middle. You can go very bright or low, and the color temperature also, as you can see, from light to warm. Let's leave it right here. And yeah, pretty much you can do in the app what would you do with your fingers touching the screen bar, and it's quite handy, I would say. Easy to control, as you can see, with 1 or 2 clicks. So yeah, pretty much you can do everything you've done with your fingers touching the screen bar, so it's easy to use. And pretty much this is everything with the ScreenBar Lite, an easy to use and cool gadget, and it's coming with a price of £89 or $99, and I'm gonna leave you all the links on this video description so you can read more about the ScreenBar Lite. And also you're gonna find even more products from Benq on the website. And if you got any suggestions or any comments, please leave it on that section. Until next time, please give it a like, share, subscribe to this video, and all the best.